Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G85, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the screen recorder, which will be on one of the pages. See if I can quickly find mine. There we go. So it's on the third page right here. Once you see this toggle, simply tap on it. It will bring up this window, letting you choose what kind of sound will be recorded. So we have record audio, and it's selected on the system sound by default. You can tap on the drop down and choose also microphone or both, or mute it. Then under that we have camera, so you can record the selfie camera, which will record a tiny little circle which shows footage from the camera on your screen. And also touch points, which will record a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. I'm going to enable both of those so we can see how that looks like, and then start recording. So here's the tiny little camera. There we go. We also have the option to actually turn it off right here, so you can just disable it once you're done needing it. And now it's barely visible. You can see this kind of trace after my finger where the dot is. When I let go, you can kind of see it for a brief moment. But you will see it obviously in the recording. From here, you can open up any kind of application that you want to record. Now, there is a bit of a limitation to it. Not every app will allow you to record it, but I'll talk about that in a second a bit more. Anyway, once you're done recording, simply click on the square. This will automatically stop the screen recording and save it into your Photos application. Now going back to the apps that won't be recorded, there are certain apps that can utilize the security. Sorry. Sorry for that. Oh boy. Okay, I think I'm fine now. So, like I said, there are certain applications that can block the screen recording using a Android feature that is designed for security of the user privacy and data. Now, most of those applications use this without any kind of reason. So, for instance, one of those dog-shit applications would be Netflix. Netflix can block the screen recorder, even though it doesn't really contain any sensitive information of yours. And the reason I'm kind of calling this out like that is because, so first go into library though, and screenshots, or screen recordings, my bad, and you can see the screen recording here. So anyway, the reason I'm calling it out is because you might disagree with any terms of service of use, not log in and reject any kind of bullshit that they come up with, and it will still block your screen recorder. And I have a problem because this application comes pre-installed with your phone and you have no control over this option. There is no way to turn it off if you have an application that utilizes it. There is nothing you can do. And also, you won't be able to capture a screenshot in such an application. So it doesn't extend only to screen recordings, but also screenshots. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.